I like playing football. We like running. You like watching TV. I like swimming. Paul likes playing tennis. My mom loves painting. My sister likes dancing. Emma loves cooking.
She likes reading. He likes programming. They like filming. We like studying. He likes diving. They like running. He loves cooking. She hates doing homework. He hates eating vegetables.
They love running. He hates eating vegetables. He likes diving. They like studying.
Dance. Dance.
They love dancing. They like dancing. They don't like dancing. They hate dancing.
Sing. Sing.
She loves singing. She likes singing. She doesn't like singing. She hates singing.
He loves playing the guitar. They love watching TV. They like running. He likes jumping. He doesn't like walking. He doesn't like walking. He hates walking. He hates walking. He likes reading. He likes reading. He loves reading. He loves reading. He doesn't like working. He doesn't like working. He doesn't like lifting. He doesn't like lifting. He hates vacuuming. He hates vacuuming. He likes painting. He likes painting. He loves wiping. He loves wiping. He loves writing. He loves writing.
I like going out with my friends, and I love playing football outdoors. I like having fun playing games in the sun, but I really don't like doing chores. My brother likes walking the dog, but he really hates making his bed. What he hates even more is sweeping the floor. He loves watching TV instead.